skills and challenging the industry. Scope is humans are not going to fight with or compete with each other. Humans are fight with artificial intelligence. Whether you are more capable or artificial intelligence are more capable. Number three, the reality is it is not a cakewalk. You are going to fight with the future new problems. 10 years before, business means the type of problems were different. Now the type of problems are different. Any of you imagine Swiggy, Zomato will come to existence 10 years before? New businesses, new problems, new set of issues. When Corona came, till the time people were not even aware such kind of problems will come. But once Corona came, all of you started adopting to it. Now people are preferring to online work from home, and many of you are very much comfortable with work from home. That's a different story. But end of the day, you are cropping yourself to the requirements. Same way in management, you are going to learn how you are going to face the problem, approach the problem, and solve the problem. This is what I want.